In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on the Whop platform, which is a fantastic tool for starting a business, learning new skills, and building your professional network. So, if you've been using Whop and want to share your experience with others, you're in the right place. First, let's start by heading over to Whop's homepage. You can easily do this by entering whop.com into your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on a vibrant and engaging page full of tools and resources aimed at helping you expand your professional capabilities. Next, from the home page, locate the specific service or WOP that you wish to review. You might have spent some time exploring a course, engaging in a network, or using a tool that you now have some thoughts on. Click on that particular WOP, and that should take you to a dedicated page for that service. Once you're on the service's dedicated page, look towards the top for an arrow. This is your next point of action. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down or expanded menu. In this new view, you'll see an option that says Leave a Review. Click on that, and you're just a few steps away from sharing your insights with the community. Now, the next thing you'll see is an option to select a star.